Meet our happy tooth character. Let's learn how to brush our teeth properly with our talking toothbrush and toothpaste. Remember to brush in circular motions for 2 minutes. It's soap bubble time. Always remember to wash your hands before eating, after playing, and after using the toilet. Let's sing a fun song while washing. Jump in for bath time fun. Our playful water droplet and sponge will teach you why showering and washing your hair helps you stay fresh and clean. Say hello to our cute laundry basket. It reminds you about wearing clean clothes and trimming your nails to keep germs away. Meet the kind tissue character. He'll show you how to cover your mouth when sneezing or coughing. Look out for that funny germ running away. Here's our smiling apple and carrot. Eating healthy foods helps keep your body strong and clean from the inside. Let's munch on these colorful snacks. It's time to celebrate. Our fun characters award you the Hygiene Hero badge for practicing good hygiene habits. Let's dance to our catchy hygiene song.